Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan has lashed out at the Afghan and Western governments for scapegoating Pakistan for the outcome of the war in Afghanistan. Former Sindh Chief Minister Syed Ghaus Ali Shah, former Minister Syed Zafar Ali Shah and Barrister Murtaza has joined the party PTI. Prime Minister Imran Khan welcomed the politicians to his party and also gave them party mufflers as a gift. Taliban-led Afghan government deputy spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid's mother has passed away. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has once again called upon the international community to unfreeze the Afghanistan assets. Federal Education Minister for Education Shafqat Mahmood has said that the local government elections will be held in March or April next year. People's Party leader and politician Wajid Shamsul Hassan passed away. U.S. Deputy Secretary of State Wedney R. Sherman is scheduled to visit Pakistan and India next month amid the developing situation in Afghanistan. Former Pakistan captain Inzamamul Haq is in hospital where underwent a successful angioplasty on Monday evening after suffering a heart attack in Lahore. A multinational soft drink company has reached an agreement with the Capital Development Authority to build Recarpeta Road in Pakistan's capital using plastic bottle waste. According to daily data issued by the National Command and Operations Center, Pakistan has reported 1,400 new infections and 41 deaths, taking the overall death toll to 27,638. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.